during our consultation, you were mentioning about during the right, you were using a reciprocating saw, and you banged out your right shoulder, and you start to feel that a lot of achiness, pain, or what have you on the right shoulder, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what happened to that right knee?
This happens, well, one time I was right behind my truck. I was trying to, to go down from my truck, and I fell in my knee.
Wow, that must have hurt a lot.
Yeah.
So basically what the patient was saying, that when he was trying to get off of his pickup truck, and he landed real hard right over here. Okay, do the right one. So it's a little fixated and stuck. Okay, reach behind your back with your left one first. Okay, let me see with the other one, the right one. Okay, so yeah, this is not engaging to us. So we'll take a look, see what's going on that one. When I hear a case where you deal with the right shoulder, especially when you're using a reciprocating saw, there's a lot of vibration on that, okay? So if there's any potential, subluxations, as in other words, like a traffic jam or nerve dysfunction, all right, the ligaments that's holding the bones together and your tendons have a hard time holding things together. Now, when we add vibration into that, what it does is it stimulates a certain type of nerve inside the ligaments and tendons, so it makes things help a little more relaxed than it should be. Okay, so therefore the scapula, the shoulder blade itself, what happens has more tendency to come out of alignment. So that's that helps explain why you felt the next day why you had to have a lot of right shoulder pain, and ever since on, stiff, kind of hard time to move around. So in order for that right shoulder to be addressed, then I have to take a look what's going on with all the muscles. We have the lats that attaches all the straight down to here. We also have the rhomboids attached right to the middle of the spine over here. We also have the levator scap, the traps, and everything else that deals with the low, the cervical neck part over here and the upper dorsals over here as well. So we've got to take a closer look at all that just to see how it involves with the scapula and also your humerus here, and also AC joint, SC joint, the whole entire thing. And then when we take a closer look at the foundation itself, I do see, okay, we do have a potential second sacral segment issue over here, right? So I'm gonna take a closer look, see what's going on that one. And because the way all this inferiority is coming along, and we have this degenerated joint disease, that DJD, right between third and fourth lumbar over here, it tells me no, we most likely have a lot of fixation over here. I'm gonna take a closer look, see what happened to this. So in order to make that happen, it may be coming from this left hip over here. So I'm gonna take a closer look, see what's going on this fellow over here. And the same thing as well, we also see some DJDs over here that also again explain to what's going on with this potential left hip, which you have to rule out. In addition to, okay, let's take a closer look, see what's going on the mid back over here, the upper back, and the circle region over here. We start off with visualization itself, all right? So we're looking for where is the potential, as in other words, how's his gait, and how's his posture, how's the muscle spasms, where is also the swelling, okay? So this is easy enough to spot. There's a lot of huge swelling over here, and if you can hear it, see, this sounds different because it's all filled with fluid over here. So this is something we want to keep an eye on. See it as well over here, upper dorsals, lower dorsals, and so lower cervical over here. And we got one potential over here. See, also some swelling over here. No, yeah, we got some swelling over here. And we got some swelling over here as well. Now, with instrumentation, this helps confirm my potential hunches because I want to confirm things. I want to make sure that the areas we want to work on are truly indeed the areas that we really need to address. Let's take a look. How's that right there? Tender?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? the right hip is pivoting and moving just fine. See that left one right there? That's stuck. That ain't moving. Yeah, that ain't moving. There's two S's not that great either. How's that feel right there?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Fourth lumbar. Gotcha. Right there. Oh, this is really puffy here. Yeah. I hear you. I hear you. It's not happy. You get a number to that fella. Feel that right there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So you have a lot of muscle spasms and swelling on this side and this side as well. How's that fella right there? Yeah. Number 5 is in trouble. Just a little. Good. Let it go. Let it move. Excellent. Yeah.
Feel a little bit, yeah, better.
Better in what way?
In the moving.
In the movement?
Yeah, but
okay.
the pain, still have the pain.
Understood.
Yeah.
No, we haven't got to that shoulder yet. Okay, so how much improvement would you say right now from 0 to 100% for that right shoulder?
I would say like 60%.
60%?
Yeah.
See? It's pretty big. So just like I explained before, because the latissimus dorsi muscle attaches from here all straight down to here, by unlocking this, it helps relax the muscle. So that's one part of it. Just let it go. Here's the other fella. So now let's test, see what's going on with this. Ooh. This is really out. This is the first. It's actually just the. Okay, let it go. Yeah, the laterality is still out. There it is. Go ahead, test that right shoulder. See how you like it now. Tell me what's different about it.
Yeah, a little better now. I can just lift it more than they used to do it. So,
Hey, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
There's that fella.
Yeah, it's good.
Now let's check this right shoulder. SC.
Yeah.
AC is slightly stuck. Scapula's moving better. See, it's jammed. You still got this. Okay, just relax. I'm gonna set this bone. I'm gonna set it all over the place. Let it go. A little more. Go ahead, give it a test.
Yeah, it feels much better.
How much better?
I feel like only when I do it up here, I just still feel a little bit more. A little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah, but this side, I mean, I can just move it and, and lift it, like better than before.
Good. How much better would you say from before?
Yeah, I would say like 70%, yeah.
77.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good start over here. Now, the reason we have to work on your fourth lumbar vertebrae and the nerve is because whenever I see this is your kneecap over here. Okay. The tip of it is way out here. Normal, I want to see it over here.
Okay.
Same thing over here. It should be here, but it's way off. So both of them should be here, and they went outwards. So the reason why it does that is because we have a particular muscle right over here. This is called the vastus medialis oblique muscle over here. Okay. Now it requires proper nerve function. Now if we don't have proper nerve function for the fourth lumbar nerve over here, what happens is these muscles over here get weak.
Okay.
But you still have muscles on the outside. You're still gonna pull. That's why you see the kneecap start pulling on the outwards.
Okay.
Because these are not engaging. They cannot keep it in proper alignment. So that's why we have to adjust your fourth lumbar first to get this knee working again.
Okay.
All right. Now, here's another thing I'm seeing here on this knee X-ray is that I gotta take a closer look, see what's going on this outside of that tibia over there. There we go. See how loose this is?
Yeah.
See, this is stable, unstable. That tells me no, we have a tibia involvement. See, this is stuck. You need to move it to let's take a look at the left one. See, stable, stable, no problems. Just this one. Tender right here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. See, this is swollen right here. So first things first, we're gonna pump the fluid out of the way until we feel it sink in. There we go. Just that quick. Let it go. Just a little more. Here's your rest. Hold on, check your fibula. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. All right, walk around, sir.
Yeah. Feels good. Feel better.
Okay. Tell me what's different about it.
Okay. I can walk and I don't feel too much the pain.
That's a good start.
Yeah.
So how much food would you say for that knee?
I want to say like 70%.
70%. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
So your homework is this, okay? I need you to ice behind this knee over here, okay? There's a lot of swelling over there.
Okay.
And ice here and ice here as well. All right?
Okay.
All right, keep that up and we'll see you in the next visit, see how you come along.
You got it.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How's the shoulder doing and the knee?
His shoulder's getting a little better.
Okay.
Now I can sleep in the side. Before, I couldn't do it. So
Nice.
now, it's getting, it's getting.
That's
yeah.
great. How's the knee doing?
The knee, now, it's a little more flexible, much better,
Nice.
So, getting there.
Great.
So-
Well, we'll keep at it, okay?
Yep.